Hello everyone, in the last video we have seen whether the particular bit is set or not in a given integer. In this video we will see in a given integer totally how many number of bits are set. So we will take one integer number and we will convert that number into the binary format and we will find out how many number of bits which have 1, that is set. So that number we will find out. Okay, let's dive into the code. See, I have already come up with the skeleton of the code. Now let me take one integer int x equal to, let's take 20. Now this 20 we will write it into the binary format. How do we write? So we will write in terms of the 1 byte, that is in terms of the 8 bits. Okay, 0 0 0 1 and 0 1 0 0. Okay, this is the 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth bit and seventh bit. Total 8 bits. This value is 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So 16 plus 4, it is 20. Okay, now we wanted to find out total how many number of bits set in the given integer. So if we see this total, there are two bit positions which is having value 1. Now the answer should be 2. How do we do this? So for this we have to take some result variables as well as some intermediate variables. Let's take I for iterating the loop. Okay, for I equal to 0 and result res equal to 0. Okay, now we will use while loop, while of until x value is greater than 0. Okay, so now what we will do, we will check if, how do we find whether the bit position is set or clear. So the logic we have discussed in the last video. I'll keep the last video's link in the description. Okay, now x right shift by I and we have to do the AND operation with 0x1. Okay, if this value is 1, that means we have to increase our result plus 1. Okay, and now we have to update the x value. How do we update the x value? X equal to x right shift by I. Okay, now what happens? Every time when the loop increases, the x value will be divided by 2. Okay, and we have to increase the I value also. Okay, this value will give us the how many number of bit positions set in a given given integer. Okay, so finally we will print result equal to %d and then we have to print the res. Okay, this is the code. See, now we have written our complete code. Let's analyze how we have written. Okay, we have taken the one integer 20 and then we are using here while loop until x value greater than 0. Okay, and we are doing x value right shift by I value. The I value initially 0. For the first time we will check the 0th bit position by doing the AND operation with 1. Okay, if that particular bit is set to 1, then the result will be incremented. Initially the result value is 0, so we will increase 1 if that particular bit is set, else it is outside. Every time, irrespective whether the bit position is set or clear, we have to update the x value and as well as the I value. Here we are updating the x value. How we are updating the x value? We are doing again right shift. This is like dividing by 2. Again we are increasing the I value to go next iteration. Okay, so this value will give the result as like a 2. You can try this code. Okay, thank you for watching. In the next video I will discuss how to set or clear a particular bit position. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thank you.